Hey guys, today I've got this 2008 Subaru Tribeca, and the running lights or the clearance lights, parking lights, they won't shut off. They just stay on all the time, even with the key off. The owner told me that they were pulling out the tail clearance fuse inside there. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this, how to shut these lights off. This is really simple. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps out a lot. So these Subarus have a parking light switch right here on the column, right there. Now the lights are off. So this is confused with the hazard switch right here. So sometimes you get in a bad way and you hit the parking light switch here thinking you turned on your hazard lights, and you really just turned on your clearance lights. Similar function but different. Anyway, if this video is helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.